And right from the beginning, when I thought I should become an actor, then I started. There are already legendary actors are there, like N.T. Ramarao garu, Nageshwarao garu, Krishna garu, Sobram Babu garu. More than half a dozen superstars are there. So, can I get a chance to become such a stardom as a star? But what is that extra I'm going to contribute to become as an actor and emerge as a superstar? My aim is, yes, I should hit the bullseye. And then what is that I can cater? What is that extra I can showcase my abilities to become a star? Then I thought I started sourcing inspiration, drawing inspiration from my contemporary people. Now Mithun Dada is here. In 77, I was a student in a film institute, acting. I have seen that Mrugaya, and he won the national award.